Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you a little quick unboxing. Now, this episode is just like the others that I have like this quick unboxing for you guys that I wanted to share. Like all the things that I buy from Shopee. Yes, it is another Shopee purchase. It's something I really want to share to people because this is where I get my ideas as well as my way or lifestyle choice for the designs at my home. So yeah, I love the shop, which is it's called JHVN In's collection, and there's so many stuff there, like so many decors that will be perfect for your home. And one of them, we'll get into it right now, is pillowcases. Now, I did say to make like add throw pillows to your sofa or to your couches because it adds a little bit of personality. But I want you guys to actually choose your kind of design for your sofa, for your throw pillows, because it will reflect your personality. Just because this is the one that I state that it's beautiful, or this pattern, it doesn't mean you're going to just follow that. If you really like the pattern, then go for it. But I would suggest to have a nice plain sofa or couch for that, so that your accessories or your personality kind of pillows will actually pop. Now, this season I've been loving blue lately, but there's a twist to this order, and it's not really like too much. It's just a simple kind of throw pillows, but I will share some of their other throw pillows here that while I show this one. So the first one is actually in blue throw pillow, and I really love this pattern. I still don't know the name of this pattern. Let me know down below at the comment section if you know this pattern. So this is a throw pillow. It's just, I think this is a 40 by 40 size, and it's this one. I already got this in gray. I don't know if you guys see some of my other backgrounds, and I love the pattern so much. I don't know if I'm gonna get a red one, but this is so nice. If you can see, the color is as is. It's like a muted blue, and it's really beautiful for like, especially like white couches or like a really pale yellow couch. This one pops a lot, and I really like it as a nice depth to your couch because it adds that mood that's really beautiful on maybe winter occasions. Sometimes like if you're going for like a nice dinner party, this is a perfect accessory that will set the mood. And addition to this color is actually this beautiful one. I love this when I saw it, and finally I was able to buy it because when I saw this before, it was out of stock, and luckily they have in stock already, which is this beautiful color here, or this beautiful blue pattern here. It's like leaves, you see. So there's just like a lot of multiple leaves, but they're like super subtle and simple and just white, which is perfect to like literally pop in your couch or sofa. It's really nice and add depth. And that's why I actually often buy from this shop as well as this kind of pattern. They do have options. I'm not sure if all their pillowcases have that options, but they have option of both sides to have the pattern. But I opt for the one that only has one side because I could just change and interchange to have this plain one, which still has like that light gradient pattern on it, or not really gradient, like grill pattern. That's perfect also for like if you have colored sofa, so you could just put this and as a white pillow, white throw pillow, but just make sure that the pillow that you have actually doesn't have too much of the lumps that you might see, because like me, I actually just created my throw pillows using throw pillow cases, and then I just put like the old cottons from old pillows that I don't use anymore, that I don't think I'll be using for sleeping. I just created as a throw pillow, which actually is better because some of the old pillows, their cottons are not as good for sleeping anymore. So I just clump them up to make a throw pillow. One example is actually this one. So here I made this one, and I got this throw pillow case from one shop. I'll try to link it down below. I'm not sure. I don't think it's in JHVN. But yeah, I created this, and look, it's kind of lumpy. So you can see that, but it's fine because this one is a nice dark blue, so you won't really see the lumps once you put on this pillowcase. So that's another tip for you guys on this. So the next one I really love because it's me. It's because I love it for myself, and it's super cute. And I think based on how I define it, I think you guys probably know already. It's this beautiful pattern. I saw this and fall screamed to me, but also Halloween, which is this one. Okay, I don't know if you could use it actually like that. This is displayed like this. So this beautiful cat pattern here is so nice. It's like a muted orange. So it's not like too bright. I'm just adding a little bit more lighting here because it's really dark here in the basement. So this is such a beautiful color. It's just simple like block colors together and then the pop of black cat or black shadow of the cat here peeping through, and it's really nice because it adds depth also, especially like I said, if you have a plain couch, this will look really nice for it for fall season. And honestly, not only for fall season, I don't care if what season it is, I might just put this for the whole year in my couch, which is really nice. And the lucky part to this is these throw pillows have the pillowcase. So the pillowcase, you could just remove it and wash it if it like gets dirty like that. And of course, you have to make sure that you're going to take care of it, like the stains that comes like if you have visitors or if you have like kids, then you have to just make sure that this will not be, you know, tarnished by stains. So yeah, that's mainly for what I've ordered right now. Aside from that, is actually a gift for someone, but I'm not gonna show that right now. Maybe I'll show it in the next video once they get it already. But yeah, for now, I want to show you some suggestions of either other items like this pillowcase set here, the orange set where I got the orange cat. There's so many beautiful patterns. I really like this peachy one that has this nice shade of leaves in it, like the outline of white leaves. And then of course I have the blue collection where I ordered the two patterns that I have. They're really nice. There's a lot more simple ones and there are a lot more pattern ones, like there's a feather one and there's one that has multiple leaves that are like brush strokes by watercolor, and also the one that's one of my favorites. I don't know if I'm gonna order it, if it's going to match any of my other throw pillows that's going to be with that pattern, but it has like the stripes and then a block paint at the bottom. It's just really a nice color, but I'm not sure if it's going to be, if I will be able to match it with any of my other pillowcases. Then for the collection, oh yeah, this one, I think you guys need this. A lot of us have commonly have these coffee tables that you can see the one inside the there's another layer under. Unfortunately, a lot of us actually stock stuff under it and it's not appealing. This shop has the universal rectangular tablecloth and it has a skirting. I will put a picture here and it's beautiful. Right now they're on sale, so I'm not sure if they're going to stick to this or just the specific colors are on sale, because the white one is not on sale. But I would suggest also the khaki one. It's a nice color. It blends. It's also good with white couches and it adds a little bit of layer to your living room, which is really nice as well because you don't want it to always be just all white, so you could have the option, especially if your coffee table is like a really dark heavy wood color like this one, then you can opt to add that and then it's going to just cover it so it will nicely blend. They also have the green one, the maroon, the gray, if you want those other colors that will match. Especially if you have an all-white home, it's perfect to add a bit more pop of color to your covers or to your like cushion covers or your table, so it adds a bit more twist to it. And then there's one here, an orange set as well. Unfortunately, they don't have the cat design that I wanted, that I was going to order if they had it, but they don't have. It's the You Are My Sunshine. I will show one here of the picture. It's really adorable and I really want it. I don't know why. I just, you know, a cat person. I'm also a dog person, but yeah, I love that little cute accessories of the cats as a design. Oh, and by the way, they also sell cushions. Was this sofa cushion covers? Yes, but unfortunately that's why I didn't order here, because they only have the dark gray, camel, dark brown, and beige. So the beige one is still too khaki for me. It's not that white and I needed the white one, so maybe I'll order here for the darker colors if I would opt for, excuse me, a darker color. And then of course the green collection, like there's so many. I'm going to like splat different kind of pictures of those pillows, and they also have different accessories like the absorbent mat and also like scrub brushes, even covers for your dining chairs. They're also nice for that because, like I said, you had to have that little bit of additional accessories to your home to make it a little more like you, to add personality to your home, to make it really your own. Especially if you bought like this dining table and you're not really satisfied with the whole look to it, then add a bit of like the covers or table mat. That will be nice and it will be helpful also. And like I said, throw pillows are actually great additional accessories. So yeah, those are the simple unboxing. It's just a bit long because I really wanted to share a lot of these options and a lot of these items that you can see at this shop. I really recommend it, and it's not something that I'll just anytime I'll just buy. No, it's something I really thought about what I wanted to match the home. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you look into the shop. It's really great. The material and the quality is great. And I wouldn't really recommend it if it's not. So yeah, I hope you check it out. And I hope you like this video. And see you on the next one. Bye guys! See ya!